This is a final video to fix the Hisense washing machine F24 error, because you deserve a machine that actually works. Are you staring at that annoying F24 code while your laundry sits in pile because the machine simply will not start? This common glitch happens because the internal sensors in the main control board stop talking to each other properly. Most videos on YouTube make this fix look like rocket science with long and confusing steps that lead nowhere. Rexis is here to change that right now with a clear path to success. There are 4 proven methods to fix this problem, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you even if your machine seems completely broken. You should pause this video right now to try these methods one by one, or take screenshots of visuals so you do not miss a single detail. I will not waste your time with complex talk, because these solutions are simple and direct. Do not skip any part of this process if you want your washer to run like new again. Follow the method step by step exactly as they appear on the screen right now.